So I just ordered the Panasonic Cyclonic inverter microwave oven. It's stainless steel, 2.2 cubic feet, as you can see there, 1250 watts. The dimensions are displayed. The Genius sensor cooks and reheats food automatically. Okay, pretty cool. I got it, I chose this one because I was YouTubing what is the best microwave, and this is one of the microwaves that were in one of the videos that I saw that caught my attention. Only because it looks high tech. It has one of these spin dials instead of all those buttons. And yeah, it just was different. So let me open this up. All right, so the first thing that I see when I open up the box, which makes no sense to me, is the glass plate. That could have shattered very easily. Yeah, that could have definitely shattered if they put it upside down and just slammed it or something. Luckily it did not, so I'm good. As you can see, look at the styrofoam all cracked. This thing got lucky, unless this is like shatter proof, I don't know. Let's put that to the side. Get rid of all this. You know, kind of think of it, that probably cracked when they were cutting this. So, probably. Alright, this is the bad boy right here. I am going to, it looks white. Oh, it has a cloth fabric over it. I was about to say, what? Alright, I'm gonna take it out and then I'll come back. Alright, so this is after it's out of the box. I'll take out the plastic with you guys. But dang, that's beautiful. That is very nice. I'm trying to examine it because if it has any scratches or whatnot. I'm returning it. No, so far it looks great. All right, let's take this. Interesting. There's a blue protective thing over the stainless steel, but here's what we're working with. Child safety lock door. Federal law required, blah, 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 blah. Cooking starts, door only locks. Okay. Open it up. This is all common sense stuff. Interesting. I don't have children, so that is not for me. Here is the front. The Genius Prestige. Panasonic. 3 levels of popcorn. I'm guessing small, medium, and large bags. Coffee and milk. As nice as that is, I will be making mine on the coffee maker. Inverter defrost. Inverter. Oh, the inverter. Yeah, because this is the cyclonic inverter. So that's inverter turbo defrost. I'm not really sure what inverter is or cyclonic inverter is, to be honest, but I will find out. Time management center menu. I don't know what that is. I have to look into it. Once I get it up and running, I'll show you guys everything. Power levels 10. That is insane because I don't know how many levels people really need to change to. Keep warm, sensor cook reheats. Oh, that's interesting. Timer, quick 30. That's gonna save my life, more or less. I don't know what that is. Yeah, stop and reset, and then this is how you pop it open. Okay, cool. Let me put it up on the counter and display it. So here we go. Here's this bad boy. It's not big. I mean, it is a big microwave, but it's a good size. It fits great on the counter. The only issue is with my counter is it's not balanced, so that's gonna be annoying. I have to put something to wedge under that little foot. I thought maybe I would get lucky and the foot can screw out to level, but unfortunately that's not the case with this microwave. So all right, let's see what we got here. It says, welcome to Panasonic. Refer to operating instructions. Okay, I didn't get no instructions. Maybe it's in the microwave. Yep, there we go. Cool beans. It could be brighter, I'm not gonna lie, because what the hell is that? That's pretty dark. This light is nice, but like, come on. It's nice though, it's decent. I guess they had to sacrifice the big light to add the cyclonic inverter. But yeah, that's what we're working with. There's a top vent, side vent, another side vent, and whatever goes in there, I don't know. I've never opened a microwave before. But yeah, that's a little upsetting. It should have been much brighter, but that's all good. Let me see. With the light off, that's, yeah. You see how the light illuminates only this side, but it doesn't reach here. So they should have at least added another light on the opposite end. I don't know what that was about, but hey, it's all good. As long as it heats food. Let me check. All right, let me put this bad boy in. That'd be very messed up if I cracked this right now. Oh, my bad. Sorry, y'all. There we go. Okay. Pretty cool. All right. I am going to read this manual because I know not everyone does, but I do. Just so I know what I'm working with. And then I will get back and give you all a run through on these buttons and whatnot. Okay, so I've just skimmed through this. Right now I'm gonna set the clock. So we're gonna press timer clock. All right, set. I don't get it. All right, let's see. Press timer clock twice. And flashes. Okay, see, this is why I need to read it. Time of day using. Time appears. Time appears in the display window. Calling. I don't get it. All right, so I just set the time right now. I did just notice something that I want to just show you guys that is gonna bother me. You see a little white speck? It's like dust. It's inside the screen, so I cannot take it out. That's gonna bother the heck out of me. That's just me. It's an OCD little thing, but that's interesting. But it's all good. Yeah, so all I did to set the clock was press time clock twice. So 1, 2, immediately. And then you would start seeing this flash. And then the ring will start flashing as well. But yeah, there's the clock set, popcorn level. So we got 2.75, 1.5, 3.5. These are in ounces. Pretty cool. And then I would just press reset right here if you want to get out of something. Milk. Coffee, I don't know what that is. 1 cup. Oh, interesting. Press start. So 1 to 2. 2 cups. Okay, so 2 to 1. Milk. 1 cup. 2 to 2. Milk. 2 cups. So coffee and milk. Okay. So 1 cup, 2 cups. So all right. Pretty interesting. Coffee and milk, I guess. Just invert. Interesting. Like some symbol appears. Coffee and milk, we just did that one. Popcorn, we just showed you that one. Defrost, I didn't show you that one, but y'all know. This one, oh, that one's the one I'm about to show you. Inverter turbo defrost feature. It's pretty interesting. This feature allows you to automatically defrost foods such as meat, poultry, and seafood simply by entering the weight. That is pretty cool. Example, to defrost 1.5 pounds of meat, place food on microwave safe dish. Press inverter turbo defrost. Weight dial. Set weight of food using the weight dial to 1.5 pounds. Okay, that's an example of their 1.5 pounds. For you, it would be, I don't know, 2.5, 3.5, whatever. And then press start. Defrosting will start. The time will count down. Larger weight foods will cause a signal midway through defrosting. If too beep sound, turn over, rearrange food, or shield with aluminum foil. Interesting. I did not know we can put aluminum foil in the microwave. I guess that's this new tech. And then conversion chart is here. Ounces, hundredths, everything else. For inverter turbo is 6 pounds. That's good to know. The maximum weight for inverter turbo is 6 pounds. So you can't put like a 20-pound turkey in there, if that even exists. Preparation for freezing. Freezing meats, poultry, and fish. In packages with 1 or 2 layers of food. With only one of it. Okay. Place wax paper between layers. I'm just going through the instructions with you guys. Like, if you guys care about this stuff, my bad. But anyways, yeah, that's in pounds. 1.5 pounds. That's what their example was. But it was for you 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, all the way up to 6. Can't go more than 6 pounds. And you would put your food in there. And then, yeah, close door. Okay, it tells you everything. 5.2 pounds, and then you just press start. But I ain't doing that. And I'm supposed to put in, start the microwave oven without any food. You will damage it. All right, so that was turbo defrost. As you can see, time and weight, you just time. Oh yeah, look at that. 5 seconds, 1 minute, 0 seconds, 12 minutes, all the way up to 30. 30 minutes is the max. So that's good to know, just in case you guys are curious. 30 minutes, 0 seconds. I've personally never used the microwave for 30 minutes straight. But hey, if I need to defrost something like that, then good to have that available. Set time, okay. Restart. So 5:15 right now. Sensor menu, I don't know what that is. Does it press in? No, it doesn't press in. I don't know what the sensor menu is. Power levels. We got power 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it comes automatically starting already at level 10. So I'm guessing if you have old fashioned or don't want to use that much power, I don't really know the reasoning behind that. But if you guys know, please explain. So I'm leaving it the way it is, unless my power doesn't allow that level, I guess. Keep warm. I'm guessing if keep warm feature. Let me look in this book right here, because I'm guessing if you have food in there and it stops and you don't take it out immediately, it starts going again just for a few minutes. I think I passed it. More or less. Selecting. Keep warm feature right here, yeah. This feature will keep food warm up to 30 minutes. Oh, interesting. To keep 2 cups of gravy warm, keep warm, press the keep warm button. Set warming time up to 30 minutes. Press start. Keep warm will start. The time in the display window will calm down. I don't get it. Is it just microwaving your food? That's interesting. Keep warm can be programmed as the final stage after cook times have been manually entered. It can be used in combination with inverter turbo defrost sensor or other. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So if you want your soup or whatever to heat for 1 minute and something seconds, you would start it, and then after that, I guess you would press keep warm. And you have 2 features to keep warm. 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Oh, that's what they were saying. I don't know what that was. I'm scared. Shepherd, was that you? My bad, y'all. But yeah, there you go. Keep warm for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I don't know if we can keep warm. Okay, so if I press keep warm by itself before I put time, it's gonna automatically just do that. It won't have the 1 and 2 like it started before. Cool. Sensor cook reheat. Sensor cook reheat. Sensor cook, that's the sensor menu. Look at that. That's how you access the sensor cook. 1, sensor, reheat. Okay, reheat what though? What are the numbers? Oh, there we go, oatmeal. 3 is breakfast, sausage. Oh. 4 is omelet. I've never cooked an omelet in the microwave, but I guess it's just for reheating. 5 is quinoa. Pretty nice soup. That's gonna be nice for my ramen noodles. Frozen entree. So TV dinners basically. Sensor reheat. 8 frozen pizza. Sensor cook. Oh, okay. So sensor cook / reheat. That's why it's giving me all of these. Okay, so it senses your food, which the option you choose. That's why it's saying frozen. So it's not just reheating; it's cooking your food as well. But that button is also an option to reheat. Right now, it's choosing the sensor menu option. That is cool to know. So frozen pizza, frozen pocket sandwich. What? I don't know what that is, to be honest. 10 is potatoes. Ah, that's nice. So baked potatoes. Fresh vegetables. I'm guessing frozen vegetables? No, fresh, obviously. Frozen okay, that's frozen vegetables. 13 canned vegetables. So fresh, frozen, canned. White rice. Interesting. I've never cooked white rice in the microwave. Brown rice. Frozen dinner. Okay, so that's the frozen TV dinner. Pasta. 18. Stew. Beef stew, anything like that. Ground beef. Ground meat. So ground beef, ground meat. 20. Fish. Interesting. Fish fillet. 20. Fish. Fish fillet. Wasn't that one just fish fillet? No, that was ground beef. Okay, my bad. Oh, so that's all. It's only up to 20 sensor cooks options that you can choose from. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Then you would just turn it to what number dial? I guess if you want, you can just write all these options on a note card and keep it on the wall, just so you can just immediately run to what number you see on the card. Just because I don't want to be like, what number is it? This one, not that one. Okay, not that one. Oh, there it is. That'll be too much. Okay, so that was that one. Sensor reheat. Sensor reheat. Cool. So timer clock, that's what I just did to set the clock. Quick 30, I'm not going to press it because it's going to start something. More or less, it doesn't work. Hold it down, I don't know. Okay, let me look into that. Select power time, cooking, three stage cooking, my bad. And down, power level. So if you guys just read this whole manual, it'll teach you everything that I'm questioning. More or less, here we go. So coffee, milk, press twice, use the desired. This feature allows you to reheat coffee, milk without setting power and time. Interesting. Example, to reheat 2 cups of coffee, press twice. Okay, because the first one was milk, right? Right here. Yeah, the first one was milk. No, first one was 1 cup of coffee. Okay, so that's why they say press twice. So you would just go 1, 2. Okay, so that makes sense. And then press coffee until the desired menu appears in the display window. Once, 1 cup. Twice, 2 cups. 3, 1 milk. And then we would press more or less. I don't get it. Optional. Page 17 is where I need to look for that. More or less. I don't get it. More or less. I don't get that. I'll look into it. So page 17. More or less feature. Okay. I'm just going to read this for you guys because I don't know what it is. For popcorn, by using the more or less button, the programs can be adjusted to cook popcorn for a longer or shorter time if desired. 1 tap adds approximately 10 seconds. 2 taps adds approximately 20. So obviously 10, 20. 3 taps subtracts 10 seconds. Okay. 4 taps subtracts 20. And 5 taps, original setting. Interesting. Very interesting. Press more or less button before pressing start. For sensor reheat, cook and coffee. Blah, blah. Sensor reheat, cook for coffee, milk. Press more or less before pressing start. I don't know if I'll ever use that, but hey, who knows? But yeah, there you go, guys. That's pretty much everything. And then it gives you tips. Oh, this is a list of those 20 censored options. Censored and options, time feature, microwave wet recipes, shortcuts. It's pretty interesting. Cooking techniques, like if you don't know. Before requesting service, this is if you need something addressed. Care and cleaning, quick guide option. Alright, and then it jumps to Spanish. Pretty nice. Alright, so there you go. That's that. The new microwave with a very dim light. Video for door lock if you need. Or just read. Function features: set, pound, kilograms, language, and beep by following the steps. Right after the oven is plugged in, press start once, then rotate the dial to pounds, kilograms. I think it's already set proper for me. To language and beep choice. I don't mind. Everything that already came as is. But yeah, you guys, that's my new microwave, the Panasonic Cyclonic inverter. Can I take this off? No. Very nice. Let me take this bad boy off so you can see. Alright, I'm gonna take this off for y'all, and then I'll be back to show you guys the stainless steel. I started taking it off, and then I thought maybe you guys wanted some ASMR. So I guess you guys can just watch me take this off. Gotta be careful because the screws are there. A struggle, you guys. They really should have made it. Okay, and this is stainless steel, not scratchless steel. So please be careful. There's that. Very nice. I'm trying to get all the blue off because I don't want no little side pieces stuck on like that. I have to scratch it out. Behind the microwave, it's going to be a lot of blue stuff, but it's okay. I'll take that off later. That's what I don't want. These little blue pieces. I'll take it off somehow. I'm glad I did take it off because, oh yeah, I know that. If I didn't take it out, they had little cut-throughs for these vents. Some people leave this on because they don't want it to scratch, but like, what's the point of getting stainless steel? They're not gonna see it. Okay, here we are. Except for the, oh, there we go. Look, it's not that hard to take off. I thought I was gonna struggle. Yeah, okay, this part I'm struggling with. I'll figure it out. All right, well, there you have it, guys. The stainless steel Cyclonic inverter by Panasonic. 2.2 cubic feet with one inner light that is not bright at all, but it's all good. Maybe it turns brighter when there's food in it. I'll have to see. I'll squeeze in an update if that's the case. All right, y'all. Thanks for unpacking with me.